Hello creative designers, my name is Peter and on today's tutorial I just want us to learn how to install WordPress. I have two ways I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. Use the timestamp in the description, you skip the first step and see the second step. But before we start, I just want us to know what is WordPress. WordPress in simple terms is an open source website creation platform that is written in PHP and uses a SQL database. That's simply what is WordPress. Then on top of it, we say is probably the easiest and the most powerful blogging and website content management system, CMS, in the present day we are living. From there, what are the things that can make you choose WordPress? No experience in coding is needed. The other thing, it costs you nothing. It is absolutely free. And with that, let's get into action and get it right. So what we need to do is we get into our Cpanel login page. Log into your dashboard. After the login, scroll down to the position where you have applications. And select WordPress Manager. With that, you see we don't have any website with WordPress, so we need to create a new site. After that, you just have to select the domain you want to install. I want to install on that domain. The other thing I can set is I click here on more. I click here not more. I click here show advanced configuration. From here, I just have to remove this WordPress prefix. The other thing, I just come here and I add the admin. I change the admin name from here and I just use the one I want. The other thing is I change the password. It's always advised to use the password. So the other thing, you type your password again. From there, you just have to set your email and you enter your blog name. You can say my first blog. I'm just doing this for the purpose of tutorial. Just give your blog a name. And we have the blog description. Remember to remove this double prefix. And you don't have to create anything else. You just install. So with that, you see I have mine now ready. So I just click on this and we just start. You can see it has not been installed. Let's refresh again. Now we just start. We have our website live. You can see the name and the site description. If you want to get into the SIP and the dashboard, you just have to add /wp-admin. You'll be directed to this login page and you just have to enter your password and you get into the dashboard. Yeah, this is the backend. This is where you can change everything about your website, your appearance and everything. I recently did a tutorial on website tutorial. I did a website tutorial for beginners 2020. Use the first link on the description and learn how to even change everything about your website, from purchasing the domain, installation of theme, what's a plugin. You just have to know everything with it. Use the first link in the description. The second way I just want to show you how to install WordPress is we come to the Cpanel again and you scroll out to where we have softaculous apps installer. Select WordPress. With that, you just come and select install now. This is almost the same thing but on different layout. The first thing we need to do is we select the latest version we install. The other thing is you just select the domain you want to install to. and remove this WP prefix. Name your site My Second Blog. Name your site description. After that, change your admin username and change the password. And the next thing you need to do is click install. It will take less than 2 to 3 minutes for it to be installed. You can see it. Let's click on it and we open it. Yeah, you can see we have it. This is my second website, and the site description, we have it. You want to log into the dashboard, you can add stroke WP-admin. You just click on it, or just come here and click the second link here. With that, you'll be directed to this login page. You'll be directed to the dashboard. I also did a tutorial on how to customize your dashboard, maybe for your client or even for you yourself. You just have this knowledge on how to customize your dashboard. Use the second link on the description for you to know how to customize your dashboard and make it look something great like this and very easy to use. So those are the two ways on how you can install WordPress through Cpanel. Hope you really learned something. If you really learned something, consider subscribing to this channel and like this video. Use the link on the description to just get started with WordPress. Thank you. I wish you all the best in what you do.